Alright, welcome back, y'all. Sorry we ain't did no videos lately. I've been doing on-site milling for a gentleman, and he's got a lot of logs. I don't know if you've seen the short that I put on about the logs, but he's got a lot of logs, and we've been doing a lot of milling. And there's a reason why I can't do no recording, and can't say right now, but I think I'm gonna be here for at least a couple days or more. What do y'all think? We're doing 2x6s, 2x8s, 2x10s, bunch of 1x1s. And probably some 12x12 beams. We got a cut list. He's still making a cut list out. We got a few logs there. Most of it's all pine and poplar. So that's what we're going to start working on today. I'll try to get as many videos as I can. We appreciate y'all watching. For subscribers, sorry we ain't been on here lately. We've had a few issues. We thank and appreciate y'all for watching. Let me show you what we got done the last 2 days. These are all beams. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, about 15 beams, I think, somewhere around there. These are all beams, 8x8 beams, 6x6s, 4x6s. These are just some scrap boards, leftover boards. That's a lot of miscellaneous 2x8s, 2x10s, 2x12s. This is a lot of 4x4s, and this is just a bunch of live edge stuff that he wanted. This is all 2x6s, 2x8s, 2x10s, 1x's, bunch of 1x's. These are all 2x8s, 2x10s, and 2x12s, 12 and 16 foot long. The reason I can't do no recording right now is because of hired help. It's a bunch of scrap 4x4s in the back. This is all 2x4s, 4x4s, and some more 2x8s and 2x10s. This is all poplar, 12 foot long. This is a stack we still got to go yet. This is mostly all poplar, a few pine mixed in with it. You see there's quite a few logs there. I ain't gonna stop and count. It's foggy here this morning. And we got another one. We got one whole stack completely gone. I don't know if you've seen the short that I put on. If you look back at it, you'll see the stacks of wood I put on there. I'll walk you down here to where they're at. A little foggy here this morning. It's only 69 degrees though, it feels nice. There was a huge stack of logs right here. And so far what we milled up, the lumber we milled up, all the wood came from this stack. And we got that stack to go. And that goes plumb back into the woods right there. Get you a better shot maybe from this side. We took a few off of this stack already. We're working on it. Yeah, it goes down into there. There's a few of them down there. Hid underneath the vines. Like 4. Then we got all these to go. These are mostly all, this is all pine. Every bit of this is pine. But I thought I'd show you all what we got done and at least get a video out. That's one big scrap pile there. There's another scrap pile there. And another scrap pile there. So we've been steady getting it. So we appreciate y'all watching the video. Sorry I ain't be able to put none on. I'd love to record all this up here while I'm up here, but hired help that he has cannot be on video right now. So we thank you and appreciate y'all watching and staying up with us. Y'all have a great day.